Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can add subtitles to your videos in CapCut PC. Now you can add it like yourself, but it's just going to take a long time, but it is like the free option you can do. But for the auto captions, just like your video, go to text and go to the auto caption section. Go to the spoken language and select it, and you're going to select generate. But yeah, that is pretty much how you can add subtitles to your videos in CapCut PC. It is super simple to do, especially the auto caption one. You can go to the captions here and kind of adjust some of it here as well. But that is it. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below. Try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.